I'm David Hollander, CEO of Propelair, and our mission is to save the planet, save customers money and improve hygiene, one flush at a time. Propelair is the UK designer and manufacturer of what we believe is the world's lowest water flush toilet. We're addressing the world's water shortage. The UN forecasts a 40% shortfall in water supply in less than 10 years. Today, over 2 billion people lack safely managed drinking water. In this environment, we think it's grossly irresponsible to waste 9 litres of drinking water with every flush. This is particularly true out of home, where toilets consume nearly half the water used, as visitors flush each toilet often hundreds of times a day. Other concerns include poor hygiene, high maintenance costs, and slow refill of cisterns, which cause queuing. The solution to these problems is the Propelair system. The lid is closed to form a seal, start the flush, and reduce airborne germs, including COVID-19. Water washes the pan clean, while air from our unique patented pump pushes waste into existing drains, so it's easy to install, even to retrofit. Users love it. Frankly, there isn't much that 60 litres of air a second can't shift, and the sparkly clean bowl is seen through the transparent lid. Queues are shorter, nearly all airborne germs are eliminated, and most users like the fact that they're saving water and that their employer or service provider is working to be more sustainable. More importantly are the benefits for commercial owners. Not only saving water and reducing costs, but also reducing carbon. The robust design means reduced maintenance costs, which together with the water saving means insulation can secure payback in months in high-use locations. We're a small business with only a few thousand installations in 170 customers, but already our owners are saving nearly 1 billion litres of water per annum. That's already saving 25 oil tankers of water each year. But that's just a drop in the ocean. In the UK alone, there are over 12 million out-of-home toilets that are replaced roughly every 10 years. We focus on just 5 key commercial sectors, and within these, we target outlets with the greatest need. Despite this focus, our addressable market is over 400,000 units each year, where we're competing against an underperforming standard dual flush toilet. And that's in the UK, which is not water-stricken, and our water prices are low. Now, we've successfully entered South Africa, where amongst others their leading bank, well-known shopping malls, and a leading fast food retailer are rolling out our system. Already established in South Africa, Propelair has just signed a partnership in the Gulf, and Australia is on our roadmap. Similarly, we're also investing in new product ideas such as IoT connectivity to improve services and create new revenues. The pandemic has only heightened concern about sustainability and hygiene. Now is the time to join us to help save the planet, one flush at a time.